So today we're diving into a tool that has, and I'm not exaggerating here, completely changed how software gets made. It's called GitHub. You've probably heard of it, but it's basically the digital workshop where millions of developers come together to collaborate, to share, and to build the future. Okay, let's get real for a second. Have you ever had that sinking pit of your stomach feeling when you realize hours of your work just vanished? A file gets corrupted, you accidentally delete the wrong folder. It's a nightmare we've all lived through. And oh man, it gets way crazier when you bring a team into the mix, right? Suddenly you're swimming in files like final draft underscore v3 underscore edited underscore for real underscore this time dot doc. It's absolute chaos and honestly, a huge waste of everyone's time. Well, what if there is a better way? A central hub designed specifically to fix all of this madness. That's exactly where GitHub comes into the picture. It's built to bring a sense of calm and order to that chaos for developers everywhere. So, first things first, let's talk about how GitHub acts as this incredible safety net for all your hard work. And this whole idea really boils down to one powerful concept: version control. So, what even is version control? The tech behind it is called Git, but here's the simple way to think about it. It's basically a time machine for your project. It's a system that keeps a perfect record of every single change you ever make. It's not just saving your file, it's saving the entire history of your file. And how it works is actually pretty straightforward. You make a change to your code, then, boom, GitHub takes a snapshot of everything at that exact moment. As you keep working, it builds this complete, detailed timeline. So if you add a new feature and it breaks everything, no sweat. You just rewind back to the last version that worked. It's that simple. No drama, no lost work. Okay, so it saves you from personal disaster, which is huge. But what about that teamwork nightmare we were talking about? Well, let's jump into our next section and see how GitHub completely streamlines the way people build things together. The difference is really night and day. Before GitHub, teamwork could easily become a mess of confusion and people accidentally overwriting each other's work. But with GitHub, developers can work on the exact same project at the exact same time without stepping on each other's toes. It's a game changer. The secret sauce here is a feature called a branch. So imagine your main project is the solid trunk of a tree. A branch is like, well, a branch. It's a separate parallel version where you can go off and experiment with a new idea or fix a bug. You can do whatever you need to on your branch, and the main trunk stays safe and stable. And this whole system gives your team collaboration superpowers, for real. You can experiment safely. When you think your work is ready, you propose the changes through what's called a pull request. This is awesome because it lets your teammates look at your code, discuss it, and then when everyone agrees, you can seamlessly merge it back into the main project. The key takeaway? You build together without breaking things. But, GitHub is so much bigger than just a tool for your company or your small team. It's truly a global hub. Let's take a look at how it became the beating heart of the open source world. Just let that number sink in. Millions. We're talking about a massive worldwide community of developers who share their code publicly, their projects, their knowledge, all out in the open. This isn't just a niche hobby, it's a giant ecosystem where a huge chunk of the world's software is built for anyone to see, learn from, and even use. And that really gets to the core of it. GitHub isn't just a place to store code. It's become this incredible global learning community where you can study how the world's best software is made, you can learn directly from experts, and get valuable feedback on your own work. The amazing part is that you can be a part of it. Seriously, you could find a project you use every day, spot a tiny bug, fix it on your own branch, and then submit a pull request. The people who run the project can review your fix, and if it's good, they'll merge it in. And just like that, you've helped make a piece of software better for potentially millions of people. How cool is that? So yeah, GitHub handles code history and makes teamwork a breeze. But the GitHub of today is so much more. It's really become a full-on command center for pretty much any software project you can imagine. I mean, just look at everything it can do now. You can manage your entire project right inside GitHub, tracking bugs, creating task lists, assigning work. You can set up automation to handle all the boring stuff, like running tests. You can lock down your code with really powerful security features. And of course, it connects to all the other tools your team probably already uses, like Slack or Jira. It's truly the whole package. Okay, so let's pull all of this together. Why does this all matter so much? Why has this one single platform become so essential to the way we build things? This quote really says it all, doesn't it? GitHub isn't just another platform, it's become the fundamental backbone that so much of our digital world is built on. From the tiniest startups to the biggest tech giants, GitHub is where the work gets done. When you boil it down, the GitHub advantage is crystal clear. It brings transparency, so an entire project's history is out in the open. It drives efficiency by streamlining how teams work together. It makes global collaboration possible on a scale we've never seen before. And when you put all of that together, what do you get? You get a powerful engine for innovation. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. It connects millions of people and gives them the tools they need to build incredible things together, way faster and more reliably than was ever possible before. And that kind of leaves us with one final big question. With tools this powerful for collaboration and innovation right at our fingertips, it really makes you wonder, what's the next great thing that we're all going to build together?